guys, and welcome back to another XD Gaming Studios video. And in today's video, as you can see, we are playing, you know what I'm playing, of course you do, it's Skate Grind 2. Okay guys, so let's start. Okay, on how the game works. Okay. Guys, I am busy installing a lot of games for you guys at the moment. Okay, let's start. Okay, so this game, okay guys, this game is really actually complicated because you have to do a lot of moves. And it is really hard actually. So close. Okay guys, so let's do this. Okay, let's actually turn right here like that. And boom. Come on, just let me go over this thing. Yeah. This game is really difficult, guys. You guys must understand that. I'm actually gonna play with these two fingers. Sorry if I haven't been talking, and sorry that I haven't been posting a lot of videos lately, guys. My week has been really busy. I will do a video one day with Dorian Destroyer and me and Dimitri inside. You can check out their YouTube channels. I can't say they're good. Just kidding, guys. Okay, guys, so you must check out their channels. They are also really cool. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe and touch that like button. Okay, guys, let's try and wheelie this. Yeah, no. Okay, guys, let's pop a wheelie. Yeah. Oh, you see that? You see that skill? Okay. Sorry if this is really boring, guys. It's just, I'm running low on games to play. I am going to be starting a PC game. I'm gonna start a PC YouTube video, YouTube, because Rachel knows how. I'm gonna ask her, and she's gonna teach me how to, make a account on PC and record on PC. Like I said, guys, this game is really complicated, but you guys should download it. It's now free on the Play Store. Guys, you must put anything that you want me to do in the comments. Any games that you want me to play, just put it below in the comments, and yeah, I'll check it out. No. Guys, you guys must please not forget to slice that like button and remember to subscribe. I am sorry that I haven't been posting a lot, like I said in this video. It's just I haven't had time. I've been studying for tests, and yeah. I did get a new pack of Pokemon cards yesterday, guys. It was a really big pack. I will show you what I got. I just couldn't make a YouTube video about it because I couldn't. I was too busy, and yeah. And guys, I am gonna make a vlog about me and Dimitri doing a challenges. Sorry for the mumbling, guys. I'm sorry if I'm not talking very loudly, guys. It's just my voice is really sore, and yeah. Why isn't this thing going forward? Okay, guys. Yeah. Guys, I am busy installing Turbo Dismount, as you might have seen in the beginning of the video. And I'm going to be playing that with you. It is a really cool game, I think, because people on PC have it. Apparently, it's like a really cool game that everybody's telling me to check out. And yeah. Leave in the comments below what you think me and Dimitri's challenge has to be. Come on. I can't do any skills anymore, guys. I lost my touch. I remember a long time ago this game was like something 80 rand and out for free, so it might just be a glitch on the Play Store, but you guys, I think, have to install it really quick before it costs money again. And yeah. Okay, guys, let's try and ski on this pipe. I'm stuck. Yeah. Anyway, guys, this video, when you guys are watching this, I will be busy making another one, because I am at the moment uploading a YouTube video, Minecraft short video of me. Oh, and if you guys haven't checked out my new Minecraft series, you probably should. I think it's really cool, and so do other people, because they have started liking those videos. And guys, please remember, this is not my old account. I got a new account, and everybody's still subscribing to the old accounts instead of the new account. Guys, I got locked out of my old account, and yeah. So just remember to subscribe to this new one, because like every time I tell my friends to remember to subscribe, they're like, but I already have. And then I'm like, then I check, and then it's like, no, you haven't, they haven't. Then I remember, oh, but okay, guys, so I think I'm going to end the episode here. And don't forget to slice that like button, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye, guys.